with you, and I'm waiting for you. I'm hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry too. Hey guys, so today we are in somebody's house, and she's my dear friend Suman. So you speak in Hindi.
Hindi?
Yes,
Okay.
hello.
What I say? Hindi.
Anything, just say hello. Welcome them to the show.
Hello.
Welcome them to the show in Hindi. So this is my Indian friend, guys. Yeah, I have a lot of Indian friends, but she is going home back to
Yeah.
India. I'm gonna miss her.
आप सब लोग इंडिया आओ, visit करो. India is the best country to live and to visit. You must visit.
What is this? Tell them
This
what
is paratha. Paratha.
Okay, awesome.
Desi.
Paratha?
Desi. We will have coffee and paratha.
Cool. So we are doing breakfast.
Yes. I'm making for you paratha. I made for myself chapati.
Oh, and curry for me?
Curry and sabji. Sabji is there. Some made yesterday.
Okay, cool. I know majority of my viewers, the English speaking people won't understand, but all my Indian viewers will definitely understand whatever she just said. Okay.
I made
So
chapati for myself.
okay.
But I thought let me you can taste this.
Uh-huh. I don't mind them. I've had them and I've had them with the chickpea thing.
And now today no chickpeas.
Okay.
Earlier you had chapati,
Yeah.
paratha.
Oh, they're two different things.
Different
So why did you make two different songs?
Uh,
Well, I need that too.
Okay, you have that.
Hey, she's making two different things. She want to give me one and she takes the next. I want that one too. Yeah. There was one that you made with vegetables, the green stuff that was in it.
No, nothing is there. Only plain. Only
Oh,
thing
these
is
are
that
just plain?
this simply we will not put inside anything and we will not use shape. In this shape is there. Okay, you can see. Huh? This is
And
not totally round. Huh?
No problem, no problem.
This is not round. This is called paratha. That is called chapati.
Hold on, say that again. English?
Paratha and chapati. The Hindi English same thing.
I'm trying to repeat what you said. Paratha,
Chapati.
chapati, and paratha.
Yes, this is paratha.
Paratha
This is
and chapati.
Yes.
That's what we're doing. I wish I was going live. I should have
Yeah.
been going live. You want us to go live? No? Okay. So
Okay.
we should have been going live. And we get all of our little viewers. Awesome. But this is gonna be a video for everybody.
Okay.
Alright, good. The live would have been so good.
Now I am hungry. I will let finish this and we will have breakfast.
Okay, cool. We are gonna have our breakfast. Yeah. I have not had anything all morning. I was in bed.
So
I was in bed.
I used to take by 10, huh? Now 10 o'clock only, huh?
Yeah.
Not now 11. 11.
Oh, thereabouts, yeah.
Today I have washing clean everything.
Because you're going away tomorrow. That's not very nice. I'm gonna miss you.
Barbie, she don't want to work.
But
Barbie
then they said when the winter comes, they're gonna say they wish they had gone.
No. Barbie like the winter.
Oh, she does?
Yeah. She
So it's
likes
just
snow.
Sophia and you guys
She
don't
loves
like it.
No. That's all that. How long it took that? Oh, actually, yesterday also I boiled. Again, I'm boiling. Now it gets stuck in that bottom.
Milk?
Milk gets
Okay.
stuck in the bottom.
So I used to do scald milk as well. Let me pause this.
Now you pause and or you stop. तो नहीं बोलते. Curry
So
used
this
to be
is
gravy and this is sabji.
So this is raw papaya, the green. Okay, let me have it. This is the green papaya, and she made it in. She cooked it up. You
No,
cooked
no,
it.
no, simple cook.
Simple cook,
Simple.
and you use the curry on it. It's curry.
No, not just like you fry aloo, the potatoes.
Potatoes. Mm-hmm.
Simple like that, because that potatoes is little tight or no, it don't get
Yeah.
sticky. It get like this.
So what gives it the
You
color?
have done nothing. That turmeric.
Turmeric. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. So that's turmeric. So yeah, where's my fork and stuff? This
Okay,
is
you need
my.
fork.
Oh,
Okay.
we don't need any fork.
No, I
Okay,
will
cool.
have from my hand.
Okay, so I didn't know that.
Like this, and I will first to try it. Okay, if you like it. For this, you can eat without this also. Okay, because this one is
Also,
different.
this is the. What is
You
this
need
one?
this.
Oh, I need this with this? Okay. So here we go.
This is your coffee. Let me take mine. Yes, sir.
It's spicy.
A little spicy will be there. Yeah. We put chili, na? We like chili. Yesterday we made.
She made it spicy.
Yeah.
But it's good.
Good, na? And it's very healthy. And you have to make no efforts for this. Nothing. Only you have to cut it, peel it, cut it, and in oil. In oil, you have to क्या कहते हैं, cook it. Only salt and turmeric. Nothing, no other thing. You can
And
put
your
pepper.
spices.
You can put pepper. No spices.
Cube.
No, this is chili. This is chili. Don't put chili. Black pepper you put, powder. Okay. You need curry. You need fork. Huh? Yes or no?
I need a napkin.
You can sit and eat.
I need a napkin.
Okay, napkin. From above you will get. I will give you. Huh? Make a small bite, bhai. Full you want to go in one go. Take time. You see, we will make small bite and have it small this like. This one is different, huh?
This coffee is very nice. So
morning Barbie had the same thing. One roti, one chapati. With
this one is the roti and this is the chapati?
Yeah, no.
Roti?
This is the chapati or roti, one thing. Okay.
Okay.
And
so
this one is paratha.
Okay. So the first one I'm having is the roti.
Roti, or you can say chapati. Both are same thing. Same thing.
And this is the paratha.
Then you people don't eat wheat there, huh? Only bread.
Wheat?
Wheat means
yeah, we eat wheat. I just prefer
only
white
bread
stuff. But everybody eats different stuff.
from powder, wheat powder. You don't make anything.
No, I don't. Yeah. I love this.
Chapati.
No, this one.
Paratha.
Paratha. And this one has oil on the inside.
Inside, outside, both.
Okay. And it is rolled into a circle. Okay. So I don't have to eat
with
anything
coffee
with
or
this.
You can eat. There's no restriction. If nothing is there, still you can have.
Okay.
See, taste is different from this, no?
because there's more like butter and stuff in
Yeah.
this one. The other one was just plain.
Plain. And normally with veggie, we will have plain only. Paratha we will take. Paratha used to be oily, no? So little oil we should avoid, huh?
They're both nice.
In
And
this
I like
we
the
put
paratha. Paratha is
different.
much more tastier.
Tasty, yeah. Tasty, but it is healthy, more healthy.
Which one is more healthy?
This one.
The paratha or the chapati?
Chapati.
Oh, the roti.
Roti.
Okay.
Paratha, roti.
Did you use wheat flour to make it?
Yes, that only we used to make. That one I'm asking. What you do with that flour?
Oh, so I don't use wheat flour. I use straight flour.
Okay.
And I make dumplings and stuff.
Or those.
Mostly dumplings.
Not like this something. Huh? If so we will not eat this now, then we will think we are hungry only. Our stomach will be filled with this only.
Oh.
Carbohydrate, this will be more carbohydrate. No?
And it's amazing how, guys, I am actually just eating green papaya, cooked green papaya.
Normally we can eat green papaya raw also. Raw papaya we can eat just like salad.
Okay, so you make it into a salad.
No, sometimes we will simply we will cut one slice and we will have. We will not small pieces. We will not do.
I only have ripe papaya.
That papaya is in both ways healthy, raw or ripe. Raw is more healthy than ripe.
This is definitely new, and I love it.
Yesterday we made this.
You made the
yesterday night.
So what is it called? I know it's papaya.
Papaya veggie only.
Papaya veggie? Okay. So when I'm gonna upload this, I'm gonna write chapati, which is roti, and paratha with
raw papaya vegetable.
Okay.
At least you are trying it. I can't try any of your food. I don't know. I never take this. Dumpling etc. we eat. That momos only. The dumplings. Another name is momos. Huh? That I take. But then you are going to for work. You want more? Shall I give one more?
And this is very filling. I had like two, and I'm full. But hold on, let me finish up this so I can say, yeah, I need it. Because this is very filling already.
It used to be heavy on you.
It's heavy? It is. Yes, guys, I am actually full from one chapati and one paratha? Paratha, you said? Paratha and chapati, which is roti. We just had a simple Indian breakfast, right?
Yes.
It was very simple.
With the roti, paratha, and papaya sabji, raw papaya sabji.
Okay, and this is the raw papaya.
Right, raw papaya sabji, very healthy and very tasty.
That's for sure. It has the papaya. It was done with turmeric,
turmeric and salt and oil.
And it's healthy. And she put
chili.
Yeah, so it's spicy.
Yeah, Indian eat little spicy food.
So I'm a Jamaican having Indian food.
Yeah, she's a brave girl. Brave woman.
This was fun.
Yeah, she try everything. Good thing.
I don't mind trying different stuff.
Yeah.
It is okay.
Yeah.
You should try too.
I don't know whether I don't take risk. Sometimes I eat like sometimes I don't.
Thank you guys for joining us. Like, share.
Share and subscribe.
Is that Hindi?
Yeah, same. We take talk same thing in Hindi also. Like करो, subscribe करो, share करो.
Like करो,
Subscribe करो,
share
करो.
करो.